So, today we'll be showing you the 109 Rose Hill, Huntington Metro Station, Vandor Street Metro Station, forgot to say that word first, Telegraph Road, John Marshall Library, Elson High School, and Rose Hill Plaza, operate on weekdays, Saturday and Sunday. Here's their Facebook and Twitter. Here's all the information on them. Anyways, let's go ahead and start this video. Here is the Vandor one. On the left, it's Vandor, Road Drive, High Memorial Road, Franconia, Springfield, Elson High School, Telegraph, and Rose Hill in Huntington. Here's the other belt on the middle. Here's the map. Let me zoom out real quick. Here it is, Huntington to Vandor stations. Alright, here we go. Let's look at the back real quick. Nothing much to see in the back. And here it is. Okay, yeah, sorry I'm doing this quickly because I might have more videos to do for the night. So yeah, here it is. Here's all of the schedules operate. Here it is. You can pause and read it while I post them on Instagram. So yeah. Alright, here it is. 109 Rose Hill. And yeah. Alright. There it is. That's how you do it. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed this quick video of the 109, and I do apologize, and the route started December 19, 2015. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this, and make sure you subscribe to Virginia Elevators and Buses channel, so I'll do more videos. Alright, hope y'all enjoyed this. Have a great day or night. Bye for now.